Hello, my name is Johnny Yarbrough. I want to take a moment just to introduce myself. I'll be the one that's going to be coming out to do any kind of bathtub refinishing, vanity refinishing, sink, shower, tile, anything like that. Um, so you don't have to worry about some kind of a subcontractor or day laborer coming out. The new surface will be a polyester liquid porcelain, and that is the newest of our line of coatings that we have that are chemically bonded onto the old surface. It is considered a permanent surface. It's rated for a 20-year lifespan. I fully expect you to get 20 years out of that surface if you just follow the care instructions. Basically, it just means nothing abrasive on it. This surface, unlike the others in the past, if you use an abrasive on this surface, it's just going to dull the shine. It's not just going to tear it off of there. So it's truly integrated into the old surface. It's a little different process on applying it. It's something that is made for residential quality for residential homes. Anyway, just wanted to give you a heads up, let you know who I am, and hopefully you'll get with me and we'll be meeting in person. Thank you.